of the differential equation chapter. Okay, all the expected theory or all the expected formula or technique to solve differential equation, which is most important for JEE Mains as well as JEE Advanced. So in this lecture, almost we are going to solve 12 questions, which include order and degree concept, variable separable method of solution of differential equation, then how to solve linear differential equation, then we will deal homogeneous differential equation, then we will deal exact differential equation and Bernoulli, then we will see one of the application of this differential equation, that is growth model. Okay, you may heard about that. So let me start. How we are going to proceed is, we will first see the concept, what the concept we need to use, then what we need to do, then we have to solve a question. That question I will explain, you need to understand. Let me go to question number 1. So the question number 1 today we are going to discuss is from JEE 2024, and the concept is based on order and degree. Okay. So before explaining this, what is meaning by order, what is meaning by degree, we need to learn. So before that, we need to learn what is differential equation. In the school mathematics, you know what is the polynomial, right? What is the polynomial? Any expression in the form a naught x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus plus a is equal to 0. This is a polynomial of degree n, right? Maximum power of x is the degree of the polynomial. Similarly, differential equation means an equation where the variable is a derivative itself. For example, a naught dy by dx to the power n plus a1 dy by dx to the power n minus 1 plus plus a is equal to 0. This is a differential equation. So what is differential equation? An equation where the variable is derivative itself. This derivative may be of any order. This is order 1, right? Order 1. It may be possible order 2 is here, order 1 is here, order 3 is here. So what is mean by order? Any different, the highest order derivative present in the equation is called order of the differential equation. What is degree? Highest power of the order of the derivative, provided the differential equation is a polynomial. That means all the derivative terms are free from transcendental function. For example, sin x, cos x, tan x, cos square x, tan inverse x, logarithm x. If we are able to make that, or after converting the differential equation to a linear power or to a polynomial in derivative, the highest order derivative is the order, and the power of the highest order is the degree of the differential equation. For example, suppose we have d square y by dx square term is here plus sin x dy by dx is equal to 0. So in case of differential equation, the constant term may be function, okay, function of x or y. So this differential equation, this order of this differential equation is, order of this term is second 2, order is 2, this order is 1. So highest order is 2. So order of the differential equation is 2. Now after order we need to see the power of the highest order derivative term. This is the highest order derivative term. What is the power of this differential equation is 1. So the degree is 1. But the problem is order always exists. Degree is not always exist. When degree is not exist, if we are unable to write the differential equation as a linear form of derivative or polynomial form of derivative. For example, second case. Suppose my differential equation is sin dy by dx is equal to x. This is a differential equation. We know by using Maclaurin series or Taylor series, we can able to explain sin x as in the linear form, in the sense not a polynomial, it should be infinity series, right? We are able to explain like express. That means sin x is something like factorial, right? X minus x cube by 3 factor plus x5 by 5 factor plus that up to infinity, right? That means if I want to express this differential equation in the terms of polynomial, directly if I open that sign or something, so that dy by dx is never ending, right? Never ending means it is not a polynomial. That means directly you can say the degree order is 1 for sure. Here also order 1. But degree is not defined. Like for the time it looks like not defined. But in this case, what you need to do is we have sin dy by dx is equal to x. So I can write like this: dy by dx is equal to sin inverse x. The moment I do that, after doing this, what I got? The highest power of this is 1 and the degree is, so degree is 1. Highest order derivative is 1, so order also 1. But somehow if you are unable to switch this form to this, means unable to make dy by dx free from transformational function. For example, sin x, cos x, sin inverse x, cos inverse x, all the trigonometry, those are not able to express in the polynomials of finite degree. Then in that case, degree is not exist. Okay, if you are unable to write dy by dx in a linear form. For example, same question. If I write sin dy by dx is equal to d square y by dx square. Here, irrespective of the order term or not order term, like here, order of this derivative is 2, order of this derivative is singular order derivative, highest order is this, that means order is 2. But even though it is looks like it is free from the translational function, but this derivative is not fixed. So, and also if I make sin as sin inverse of this, then even though sin inverse is content derivative term, that means decrease does not exist. I think you understood. Let me back to the question. So, what is order? Order is the highest order derivative, degree is its power after making polynomial form only in the derivative. Okay. So, order is the highest order derivative present in the differential equation. Degree, power of the highest order derivative after clearing fraction or radical, means transitional function. Okay. For example, degree is undefined if any derivative appear inside sin, cos, log, exponential, etc. Tan, cot, all the trigonometry, inverse trigonometry. That means if we are unable to make this derivative term free from this function, then by doing some simply algebraical manipulation or mathematical manipulation, in that case, if you are unable to do, then degree does not exist. Simple. This concept you have to use. Order always exists, degree may or may not be. Depend on you are able to write in polynomial form or not. Let me move to the. This is the concept, and the question is this. And this is asked in JEE Main 2024. So what is the question? Find the degree and order. The given differential equation is d square y by dx square whole power 3 plus dy by dx whole power 2 plus sin of dy by dx plus 1 is equal to 0. Now first, for the order of this term is 2. Order of this derivative in this term is 1. Order of this derivative is 1. So highest order is 2. So order is 2. So order is 2. Order 2 means this is not true. False also. Now for the degree. Is any derivative term contain translational function? This is the problem. This is a derivative term which contain translational function. Also, if you have made these two derivatives in the right hand side along with 1 and make the sine inverse, then sine inverse contain these two, right? That means whatever mathematical manipulation we will do, we are unable to express derivative